Product review channels. Product review channels are making videos where they share their opinions on various products. They provide insights, pros and cons, and overall evaluations to help the viewers make informed purchasing decisions. And by doing all that, they get paid. Money, money, money. But what if I told you we are going to create those channels and we don't even have to purchase the product ourselves? We are going to let AI do all the work for us. So are you excited? Well, let's go. Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own product review channel. This is a fresh new faceless YouTube channel idea. There are two big money-making streams by having a product review channel. The first one is YouTube money, and the second is money from affiliate programs. So let's start by creating the content. First, we need to know which product we are going to review, and we're going to use Amazon for that. So just search for a product that could be valuable to your viewers, a product that will sell. I found this product right here, a sandwich maker, and everyone in the reviews loves this product. It has very great reviews. So now let's make a review script for this product for our video. We are going to use Google Bard. So let's type something like, "Hey Google Bard, I want to make a review video for my YouTube channel where I review products. Now I need a video script where I talk about the product info, the product review, the pros and cons, and the conclusion. It should be for this product." And then I pasted in the Amazon link. But somehow it didn't work like that, but no worries. We simply open a Google Docs file and then copy and paste the product description, the reviews and other information from the Amazon product page in there. Now simply copy that entire text and enter it into Google Bard after the prompt we previously wrote, and then press enter. And there it is. Now it is time we create the voiceover for our video. We could record our own voice, but we're going to use AI to do that for us. So let's open 11 Labs. This is an amazing tool. You can use it for free, and I highly recommend getting a subscription plan because the quality is just amazing. First, we head over to the voice library and now search for a suitable voiceover.
We should all be thankful for those people who rekindle the inner spirit.
Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
The ballot is stronger than the bullet.
One of the advantages of being
The best thing about
the world is round, and the place which may seem like the end may also be the beginning.
The ballot is stronger than the bullet.
Don't settle for a relationship that won't let you be yourself.
I think Jessica will be perfect. Just click on Add to Voice Lab and then press Add Voice. Now we can go to the speech synthesis section. Go to the settings and search for the voice you've just added, in this case, Jessica. Now simply go back to Google Bard and copy the script and paste it into 11 Labs. Make some minor changes if needed. And then press Generate. And there it is.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker with Timer Silver.
Let's download it. Now it is time to get some footage from the product. We simply go back to the Amazon product page and then just download all the product images. Also download images and videos from the review section on Amazon. In this case, there were only images, but sometimes you can also find videos there from customers. To be honest, I screenshotted them and then cropped them out. Now next, I downloaded this copyright-free background animation from YouTube. This way, our video will be engaging and not boring. Let's put all the ingredients in a video editing software. We are going to use CapCut for that, but you can obviously use any video editor of your choice. But CapCut is free to use and very user-friendly. When you drag all the images into the timeline, you will notice that they all have the same playback duration. If you want to change that, just go to Menu, Setting, and then go to Edit. Here you can change the image duration. And then press Save. Now simply delete the images and newly drag the same images in the playlist. This time, the playback duration will be different. But I made a mistake, Before we are going to place the images in there, we will first drag and drop the animated background in there. This way we make sure that the aspect ratio is 16:9. After adding the images, also add the voiceover in the playlist. Now the next step is quite optional, but if you want to do it, you can do it and your video will look even better. We are going to add an AI spokesperson. We are going to use Hey Gen for that. Just go to the website and connect your Google account. Every new account can use the program for free and you get 2 credits, which are 2 minutes of video material. Let's click on Template and create a new template. Go to Studio Avatar and search for a spokesperson that suits the voice we created in 11 Labs. Now comes an important step. Click in the background and then change the color to this type of green. This way we can edit it easier later on. Just trust me on that. Now instead of typing the text here via the text script, we're going to add our audio from 11 Labs. Click on Audio Script and then upload the audio. And then save the template and go back. Now open the template again. And guys, to be honest, in the free version you can only upload 1 minute of audio each time. That is why I had to cut the audio in CapCut into 2 parts. But okay, just upload the audio and then press Submit. I also did this for the second part of the audio. Now the video will be generated. It will take some minutes. In the meanwhile, we can go to the YouTube music library and search for suitable background music. Just download a song you like and put it right under the other elements in CapCut. Make sure to adjust the volume. Look at that, our spokesperson video is ready. Click on it and then press Download Original Video. Now simply import it into CapCut. Also delete the duplicate voiceover audio, of course. Here is another tip. Simply crop the video like this. This way the Hey Gen logo will be gone. Now it is time we get rid of the green background. Simply click on the video and then on the top right go to Cutout and then select Chroma Key. Now click on the color picker and then select the green background color. Next, you only have to adjust the strength and shadow slider, and voila! Now resize and adjust the spokesperson to your liking. Hey guys, let's also quickly make a logo. I think it will look nice. We are going to use Canva for that. It is free to use and they even have a 30-day free pro trial available. Let's go to the search bar and search for YouTube logo. And now select a blank page. Now click on the Elements tab and search, for example, for Review and then select a graphic. Next, I just went to Text and added a heading. I think Jessica Reviews will be a great channel name. Now just change the size and font to your liking. When you are done, just click on Share and then download the image. I added the logo in the video. In the beginning it is a bit bigger, and then during the video it acts as a watermark. That looks great. Now you can edit the video some more, add transitions and effects. Make the video look nice and appealing to your viewers. When you are done, just export the video. Click on Menu, File, Export. Select a destination and file name and then click on Export again. And there it is. Before we are going to watch it, I want to show you a very important puzzle piece you need in order to be truly successful doing these types of videos. Well, yes, we now need the affiliate link. That means we're going to add a link in the description of our video, and when someone clicks on that link and purchases the product, we get a commission. That sounds great, doesn't it? There are a lot of different affiliate programs out there, but the best one for this niche is Amazon. Simply sign up for Amazon affiliates and become an affiliate. This way you get the ability to generate affiliate links for every product on the Amazon website. So that means, with your product review video, you can make YouTube money and Amazon money. That's a win-win situation. Let's watch the video we've created together.
Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker with Timer Silver. I've been using this sandwich maker for a few weeks now, and I'm really happy with it. It's a great way to make quick and easy breakfast sandwiches, and it's also perfect for making lunch or dinner sandwiches. Product features the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker is a great appliance for anyone who wants to make quick and easy breakfast sandwiches. It has 2 cooking plates, so you can make 2 sandwiches at a time. The timer makes it easy to cook your sandwiches to perfection, and the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. Product review. I've been using the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker to make a variety of sandwiches, including egg, ham, and cheese sandwiches, sausage, egg, and cheese sandwiches, and even veggie sandwiches. I've found that the sandwich maker cooks the sandwiches evenly and quickly. The timer is a great feature, and it's easy to adjust the cooking time to your liking. The non-stick coating makes it easy to remove the sandwiches from the cooking plates, and cleanup is a breeze. Pros and cons. Pros makes quick and easy breakfast sandwiches. Cooks sandwiches evenly and quickly. Easy to use and clean. Non-stick coating. Timer cons. Can only make 2 sandwiches at a time. Not suitable for making other types of sandwiches or grilled items. Conclusion overall. I'm very happy with the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. It's a great appliance for anyone who wants to make quick and easy breakfast sandwiches. I would definitely recommend this sandwich maker to anyone looking for a quick and easy way to make breakfast sandwiches. Outro, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video review of the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker with Timer Silver. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.
And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create amazing product review videos and become a big Faceless YouTube channel. Moreover, become a quadrillionaire, have a lot of fun, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.